Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're building something every electronics hobbyist needs, a transistor tester circuit. No more guessing if your transistor is dead or alive. This little circuit tells you instantly, using just two LEDs, green or red. Let's break it down. At the heart of this circuit is the legendary 555 timer, wired up as an astable oscillator. R2 and R1, along with capacitor C2, set the timing. Since R1 is a big 200K resistor, this oscillator runs nice and slow. Pin 4, the reset pin, is tied straight to power, so the timer's always active. C1 here is just a small noise filter on the control voltage pin, standard practice with the 555. Now here's where it gets interesting. Pin 3, the output, pulses high and low continuously, feeding the test socket through R5 and R6. Now plug in a transistor at the socket and watch the LEDs. If it's a good NPN transistor, the green LED flashes. If it's a good PNP transistor, the red LED flashes. If the transistor is open or faulty, both LEDs stay off, completely dark. And if the transistor is shorted, both LEDs flash alternately. Red, green, a clear warning sign. And that's it. A complete transistor tester using nothing but a 555 timer, a few resistors, and two LEDs. Simple, reliable, and super handy to have on your workbench. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more circuits like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.